how Kotlin can improve your Android Java code. So the first one is your findViewById method. Whenever you want to use a text view or an XML view in your Java code, you have to do this weird findViewById thing, and it takes a while to do, and it just takes up space. And there are things like Butterknife that do this, but this is another dependency. You may be trying to make your app as small as possible. And with Kotlin, you can just import a static import, or you can just put in the ID of the text view. It's right here, and you just do Alt-Enter, and it automatically imports that. But you can just do text view, which is my ID right here, .text, which takes the text of the text view and equals that, and just changes the set text of it. So you can access all your XML elements with just a variable from that static import. My favorite one is Null Safety. And with this, you have a function, lowercase string. So this takes a string and lowercases it. Variable text, what's this question mark? What do these question marks do? This actually forces this parameter with the question mark. It actually forces to null check it, and then turn text lowercase string the text. So it will be return text, and then it goes to the question mark, and the question mark says if text equals null, then just return null. If text equals something not null, then do a lowercase. So you don't get any exception, you don't get any crashes. It automatically does a null winner exception. This is great for networking because sometimes you don't get anything back. Sometimes it's a null. In those cases, you need to do a null check. I really try to never do a null check, but sometimes you have to, and this makes it much more bearable. So as you can see here, you do lowercase string, just put null there, it equals a null, it doesn't give you an exception, and this just does the method for you. Next one is constructors. So you know in Java where you have to make your constructor, you have to put in your parameters, and you have to do like this dot model equals model, this dot year equals year to set the global variables. But in Kotlin, that's not the case. You can just do class car and just make one constructor for the entire class. So a make, a model, and a year. And the make will automatically go to the global variable make, the model will go to the global model, and the year will automatically go to the variable year. You have to do this dot year equals year, and that's all done for you, which makes it a little faster, makes it a little cleaner. And those were my favorite top 3 reasons to go with Kotlin to improve your code for Android.